Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this edition of Talk Training web series. Today, I'll be demonstrating a capability of adding expiry dates on announcement lists in SharePoint. Obviously, I know you can add an expiry date on announcements list, but do you think it's going to solve everything for you? Nope. Because if you're going to keep adding a lot of items on your announcements page, it's going to show up all the items, irrespective of if the expiry date is over or it's upcoming. So it's not going to help much, right? Because you need to really drill down and really look for the items. You need to probably put up a filter. It's going to be really difficult. So how are you going to solve this? So there's a small trick in the view. So that's what you need to do. Basically, you have to go back to the view and do some edits, right? Okay, so this is our announcements page, right? So this is your announcements page, right? Perfect. So let's go ahead and see what we can do now. So if I click on new, now the announcements page has the following columns. You have a title, which is a single line of text, and you have body, where you can have multiple lines of text, and you have an expiry date, right? Basically, it's a date lookup, and you can also add an attachment, right? So just going back. Now what you see here is an all item view, which means it shows all the items regardless of the expiry dates, right? Now there's no other views by default, right? Which is something that probably we should be having by default in Microsoft. Probably Microsoft should come up with this update, maybe so that it's going to make things easier for the users as well. Because there's no point in having an expire date over here, right? It's going to just show up everything even if the expire date is over, right? So let's go ahead and work on this. So I'm just going to create a view, right? So in order to do that, click on edit current view from here. Yeah. All right. Now I go scroll down and look for filter, right? Now you select show items when the following is true, right? Now what you need to look for expires column, and then select greater than, and then what you need to do is type today with the square brackets around, right? And then you scroll further, click on item limit, and you can basically define the number of items that you want to display. So I just put it 10 for now, and then I hit OK. All right, now what happens next is simply you can only find the items or the announcements where the expire date is greater than today's date. Right now today is 31st of August, so I don't see any of those items which is on 31st of August or prior to that, right? So this is what we need to achieve when you add announcements and if you have an expiry date coming in the later months. So I mean that's a basic thing of having an announcements with an expiry date, right? So that's very important. So that's what I really wanted to discuss for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be coming up with a couple of tips and tricks related videos. So stay tuned. Have a great day.